She was looking up, looking straight at her prospective husband, means future husband, and in her eyes there was neither anger nor hate, only cold contempt. Contempt means feeling of dislike. So when Bholi's wheel again slipped back, when Bishambar was going to garland her, then this time she was not hopeless. She was not looking down. She was looking straight at Bishambar with a strong dislike in her eyes. Bishambar raised a garland to place it around the bride's neck, but before he could do so, Boli's hand struck out like a streak of lightning, and the garland was flung into the fire. Flung out into means thrown into the fire. She got up and threw away the wheel. Okay, Boli's face was again covered, but when Bishambar was going to garland her, as you can see this scene, she took the garland from Bishambar's hand and just threw it away in the fire. The garland was thrown in the fire, and she just pulled her wheel back. She just uncovered her face and stood up. What she spoke? She spoke Pitaji without stammering. This was the first time that Bholi was speaking any word without stammering a little. She spoke in a clear, loud voice, and everybody was shocked to listen this. Okay, her father, mother, sister, brother, relation, neighbors, all were startled. Means they were all shocked to hear her speak without even the slightest stammer. Without stammering a little, Bholi spoke the word Pitaji clearly in a loud voice. Okay, Pitaji, take your money back. I am not going to marry this man. Bholi told that take your money back. I am not going to marry this man. Okay. So she refused to marry Bishambar. Ramlal was thunderstruck, means he was shocked. The guest began to whisper, so shameless, so ugly, so shameless. Everybody was calling Bholi shameless because she refused to marry. Bholi, are you crazy? Shouted Ramlal. You want to disgrace your family? Have some regard for our izzat. So Bishambar told Bholi, just think, you want to disgrace us, means you want to insult us, okay? So just think about our izzat in society. For the sake of your izzat, said Bholi, I was willing to marry this old lame man, lame old man. Lame means who is not able to walk properly. But I will not have such a mean means selfish and unkind, greedy and contemptible coward as my husband. Contemptible means who does not deserve any respect, and coward means who is not brave. I won't. So Bholi told that only for your izzat, only because I did not want to disobey you, I was ready to marry this old man. But I will not marry a selfish, greedy, and we can say a man who does not deserve any respect. Okay, so she refused to marry Bishambar.